How to get the Miracle Boat and Blox Fruits. Your first things first, before you head out and access the game experience on Blox Fruits, you must have at least 350 worth of Robux, because that specific option of a Miracle Boat will not be visible if any of the dealer that you'll be getting unless you have purchased the Game Pass. So access your Roblox account and then on your search bar, you simply type in Fast Boats Game Pass, and you will be redirected here. So this is going to be the Game Pass that you'll need to purchase so that the Miracle Boat will be available on any of the luxury boat dealer in Blox Fruits. Once you have successfully purchased this Game Pass right here, you simply access your Blox Fruit game and head over to any of the boat luxury dealer. Then you should be able to see the Miracle Boat. And that's how you get the Miracle Boat in Roblox on Blox Fruits.